Hello guys, welcome back to my videos guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a good one. Today we're gonna be making curry boiled eggs guys. The eggs are already boiled. 6 boiled eggs guys. Hold this. I gotta peel the eggs there a little bit. I gotta get this ready first. You can pause for right now.
Oh, you can pause?
Yeah. Chill. Gotta get the eggs ready first.
Still moving, the numbers are still moving.
Yes. Okay, alright, so we get the eggs ready first, guys. Stay tuned. Anyways, guys, we just put the oil in. We're gonna be doing this with coconut oil. Some people do with the olive oil. So this is coconut oil in the pan, guys. And then we're going to be putting in the eggs shortly. We're peeling the eggs right now. You got some of the eggs here ready to go in. Another 2 more ready to go in. Okay, eggs are frying a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit of the curry powder. So fry a little bit. We have the cinnamon stick, and we also have bay leaves, guys. So we're gonna fry them a little bit, right here for a little bit, and just for a little bit we're going to fry them. The stove is on high. Gonna put a little bit more oil in. Yes, guys, we'll be frying them a little bit. We had to add a little bit more oil in, and yes, we're gonna transfer them out of here. We're gonna be in this bowl for just a little while. In this bowl for just a little while. Okay, and then now guys, we're going to be putting in the seasoning. This is onion, cilantro, garlic, and ginger, guys. Yep. Onion, cilantro, garlic, and ginger. Okay, have to increase the fire. Onion, cilantro, garlic, and ginger. Then we're gonna add curry in, add the curry powder in, add the curry powder in, guys. Okay. Add curry powder. The stove has to be on high. Then we gotta add some chili powder. Add some chili powder here. And show right here. Adding water. Yep, adding water, guys. Adding water. We'll cook for a minute. Then we're gonna be adding the tomato sauce. And then we're gonna be cooking for about 5 minutes. Adding black pepper. Guys, we're cooking this gravy here for 5 minutes. 5 minutes this has to cook for. And then, see, the eggs here, we're going to reintroduce them back into the pot for another 5 minutes when this stuff is cooked for 5 minutes. So stay tuned and watch. Okay, guys, the eggs are back in. So now we're cooking the eggs now for another 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes. The eggs are going for another 3 minutes, guys. Yep. Another 3 minutes. You'll have curry boiled eggs. Curry boiled eggs, guys. Yep, curry boiled eggs. They look so delicious. I can't wait to eat them. Curry boiled eggs. I think I'm going to turn the stove down just a little bit. I don't want them to burn. Nope. Not good. Keep it on a high stove. So it has to cook for 3 minutes, guys. Three to 5 minutes, depending on the sauce, how thick it is. Only 6 eggs we did today. Anywhere from 6 to 10 eggs you can do like this. I can smell it already, so delicious. Very delicious, very delicious. Very delicious. Very nice. Real nice. Ooh, nice. Really nice. Curry boiled eggs, guys. Simple meal. Simple meal made easy at home. You can use substitute for meat. If you don't have any meat, you can eat this with bread, rice, or tortilla. Okay? Bread, rice, or tortilla, guys. And so we have 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna shut the stove off. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. Oh yeah. Yes, guys. The curry boiled egg is done. Shut the stove off, and we're going to transport it to our bowl right here, and then we can go ahead and heat. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe, guys, to the YouTube channel. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe, guys, to our YouTube channel, and we'll be back again with another one. Guys, it's a delicious curried boiled eggs, guys. Okay? Thank you so much for watching our videos, and come back again. We'll come back again with another banger. Bye-bye.